happen this year. We are all stuck at home and unable to go to our beloved school. We can't go out and play, no friends can come to our house, and we can't even see each other's face. Mama says it's because of a naughty virus. Let's hear more about it from our friends. Please cover your mouth with a tissue or a handkerchief. Garu, did you have your medicine? Yes, he needs a checkup. You're right, Adarsh. He needs a checkup for Corona. What Corona? Why do Rona when it is simple cold and cough? Ogrio, have some haldi milk, cough and cold medicine, very simple. Arey Baba, what are you all talking about? Rona, Corona. Wait! Let me explain to all of you. There's a deadly naughty virus moving around all of us in a disguised manner. What is its name? The virus is called coronavirus. But the disease we get from it is called COVID-19.
Okay, thank you Devasman for explaining this. I was a bit confused.
Corona is the virus and COVID-19 is the disease. And there are people who are carrying the virus in their body but without showing any symptoms. Right, such people are called asymptomatic. Oh my God, that means it can be me, it can be you too. And we all call it Corona. Friends, it is very dangerous as we don't know who is carrying this virus and may unknowingly pass it on to others. Unfortunately, till date we don't have a vaccine for it. Doctors and scientists are still working on it. It is in an experimental stage. So, how can we save ourselves from it? Maintaining hygiene and sanitization is an extremely important step in preventing the COVID-19 infection. Today, I am going to demonstrate the proper way of hand washing. 7 steps of hand hygiene. By using sanitizer to clean your hands when outside our house. Avoid going out unless it's really necessary. Wear a mask and cover your nose properly. Also try and cover your head, as your hair may act as a carrier of the disease. Studies are yet to prove it, but prevention is always better than cure. When you return back home, immediately have bath and get your clothes washed separately.
Drink plenty of water and exercise. Eat healthy and right amount of food. Gargle with warm water often.
Try and avoid touching surfaces when out. You may use gloves and later first step. Check for the symptoms of corona like headache, sore throat,
chest pain, difficulty in breathing, loss of appetite, diarrhea, fever, tiredness, and pain in body.
Best way is to be at home and be safe.
But it's boring to be at home continuously.
We understand you, but just think we are having wonderful time with Mama, Papa, brothers and sisters, playing board games, learning new things, cooking, attending online classes, and many more.
Yes, I remember Arf prepared a cake by himself for his own birthday. We all saw that video. Stay at home, stay safe, learn new things, and spend good quality time with our family.
We can all fight the spread of corona by taking precaution and play our part as corona warriors.
We are Corona warriors of the Villa High School. We will protect ourselves and make Corona a fool. Let's not take it easy. It's very dangerous. We will beat it and win because life is very precious. We will beat it and win because life is very precious. We will beat it and win because life is very precious. Because life is very precious.
Yes, Rihan, we are indeed corona warriors. We are together fighting the deadly virus, and along with that, we are also praying for the well-being of all the people in the world. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. हम तो बसाएंगे सपनों का ऐसा जगह. हम तो बसाएंगे सपनों का ऐसा जगह. Let there be love and peace. Let there be love and peace everywhere. Let there be love and peace everywhere. Let there be love and peace everywhere. Thank you.
Wonderful children, we all will always follow the steps of prevention shown by you and play our role as Corona warriors.